Once we get an offer in your home is when the fun begins. It can be stressful if you don't receive the amount you're hoping for. But don't worry, that's why you hire a good negotiator like myself. Hi, I'm Natasha Ewing Johnson with eXp Realty. I am a master certified negotiation expert and a real estate negotiation expert. There are only 1% of agents across the nation that have this credential, which I find alarming. Because knowing how to properly negotiate on your behalf is essential, not only to getting you the most amount of money for your home, but also on negotiating the best terms. Once you receive offers on your home, there are a few essential components that need to be done prior to meeting with you to discuss offers. We vet all buyers by calling the agent and the lender and making sure the buyer is truly qualified. We verify funds, ask critical questions, find out how motivated and in love the buyer is, and so on. During this process, we're also getting to learn the buyer's agent and the lender to see how much experience they have and if they've properly educated the buyer, and to get an idea how they're going to be to work with. Believe it or not, the buyer's agent is just as important to ensuring the deal will close as the buyer's qualification. After vetting the buyer, their realtor, and the lender, we meet with you to discuss the offer and review terms. We will give you our advice on offers in regards to the pros and the cons of each. But ultimately, you make the decision as to which offer you will take and what to counter. Now, if we have more than one offer, there's another process that we go through. We give an offer deadline. Then we do a counter offer to all the offers, requesting them to give their highest and best offer. Once we have those, we meet with you to discuss which of those offers you would like to counter. Generally, this gives us an opportunity for a higher price from the buyer and best terms for you, because we're picking the cream of the crop, so to speak. At this time, the buyers can choose to accept the terms or counter us back. You have an opportunity to choose which offer you would like to work with at this time. And again, we advise you as to the pros and the cons. Once we come to terms, we are now officially under contract. Watch the next video to understand what happens now and what to expect regarding timelines, etc. Understanding that in most cases, you're dealing with a loan and the average time frame to close is about 30 days, give or take. If you're dealing with cash, you can close in as little as 7 to 10 days, more realistically. Again, I'm Natasha Ewing Johnson with eXp Realty, providing you with premier real estate solutions.